local Somalis chanted, "We are not ISIS," as they protested the arrests of young men charged with trying to join that group.
More than 100 people gathered on the state capitol steps asking people to reserve judgment. The FBI says these four worked over the course of 10 months to join ISIS. They say the defendants still look for new ways to leave Minnesota to fight for the terror group, even when their co-conspirators were caught and charged. But Nina Moini talked with families today who don't believe these men did anything wrong.
The pictures on these shirts show smiling men, people their friends and relatives say couldn't be terrorists.
Whenever you need help, they're the first people you call for help. They're not none of that.
The group called for the men to be released from jail as the legal process unfolds. Their lawyers have argued before this, none of them had trouble with the law. But prosecutors say these men were trying to join ISIS by any means necessary. They say they confirmed that through the FBI's investigation, including taped conversations between an informant and the suspects. Many community members are angry with that informant. After it was revealed in court, they got paid $12,000 by the government. Prosecutors say 19-year-old Mohammed Syed was so mad, he tweeted a picture of the informant and wrote that if his brothers aren't released, there would be a massacre. He's facing up to 10 years in prison now. Somali community leaders called for others not to retaliate.
Everybody here has agreed that they will follow the rules that are established.
The mother of two of the suspects, Ayan Farah, also called for peace.
We are not terrorists. We are hardworking people who are here to raise their children, to give them good opportunity and go to college and universities.
There are 6 men in total involved in this case. They're charged with conspiring to provide and attempting to provide material support to a foreign terrorist organization. Organizers of today's event want to meet with lawmakers to try to think of more programs to help keep Somali youth from being recruited into terrorism. They say no one in the community seems to know who is behind the recruiting efforts happening here in Minnesota, Liz.
All right, Nina, thank you.